if you want to get around Greater Toronto area and don't want to drive your own vehicle, then this Go Transit is one good solution. Especially their weekend pass is quite popular. Earlier, this weekend pass was even more better, but now they have changed that to a day pass, but still it is worth using this. This is the map for the Go Transit. You don't have to break your head over it. Just for your info, that it is so well connected either via train or Go Bus or both. And this is the Google map. You can see Toronto, Mississauga, Burlington, Hamilton, then Niagara Falls, and this side Pickering, Oshawa. So all these places are well connected with the Go Transit system. Once you are on this page and you click on this buy weekend pass, you enter the start and end destination, and then once you come down weekend day pass, you select the number of head count for which this weekend pass will be. Earlier, you would get a separate ticket for each individual. Now you have an option to have this as one single ticket. So once you choose the number, here I'm showing 2 head count, it shows $20, and then you click on buy now. So once you do this, you have to enter the passenger detail. Here, as I said, this could be just one email ID and one person's name with the total head count mentioned. And if you want a separate one, you will get to see that option too. So once you enter first name, last name, email, confirm email, and then whether you want a combined ticket or separate ticket, here I have selected combined ticket. In case you want a separate ticket, you can do that. And once all these things are done, you come down, enter the payment method. You can see here various options, Visa, American Express, all those options are available. Once you enter your payment method and the country, passenger detail, you review the summary, and then you go ahead and place the order. So once this is done, you place the order, you get the ticket detail on your email, and you can see you will get this confirmation. With this confirmation, go to your email where you will have to activate before you start your journey. You have to do at least 5 minutes before to activate this, and only after which you will be able to board the bus. If you open the email on your laptop and not your mobile device, you will not be able to activate this. So mobile activation is the only way to do. Once you are on your mobile, you come to the email, come down, and then click here on the view. Once you click on the view, you will get this open with. I'm opening with the Google Chrome. Here you see activate. Once you press the activate button, it will take 5 minutes for it to get activated. It will take its time. You can do this anytime. And since it's a day pass, the day you want to board the bus, once you do this, after 5 minutes, you will get to see that this is active, and it will also show how much time is left. Since I activated this around 11ish in the morning, it is showing 16 hours. If you do this early, then it will show up how much time is left, and you can do the travel within that specific time. So that is the Go Transit weekend pass. I made a separate video on the pass for Niagara Go, which again is quite convenient if you have aging parents or you have any friends or relatives visiting you. This is quite a convenient way for them to show Niagara.